Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the class. As you know that we are preparing for objectives of all the lessons, and in today's class we are going to cover chapter number 3 of your textbook, that is Chasing Dreams. So without wasting the time, I know that you people have done very well. You would have done explanation of this chapter. So this lecture requires your participation. Got it? So let's start the lecture without wasting the time. So here we have objectives of this chapter. Blank number 1. Jamil entered the in front of the shabby mud house. Answer is courtyard. Blank number 2. Jamil's father kept his cup of tea on the table and his charpoy close to him. Answer is dragged his charpoy close to him. Blank number 3. You don't seem okay. Let's have dash, then we will talk about it. Answer is dinner. Blank number 4. Jamil's mother and came out of the kitchen. Answer is Aunt Sadori. Blank number 5. Everybody noticed that Jamil was. Answer is upset. Blank number 6. Has your result been announced, Jamil? The question was asked by. Answer is mother. Blank number 7. Who achieved good grades? Answer is Sarah. Blank number 8. I was preoccupied with my own thoughts about the. Answer is future. Blank number 9. We don't get only for earning money. Answer is education. Blank number 10. Seeking knowledge is obligatory for every male and a. Answer is female. Blank number 11. Jamil was worried because there was no in his village. Answer is college. Blank number 12. The college was dash miles away from his village. Answer is 50 miles. Blank number 13. Jamil wanted to open a in his village. Answer is hospital. Blank number 14. Sindhi couplet was quoted by Jamil's. Answer is mother. Blank number 15. Distances are to be. Answer is covered. Blank number 16. To fulfill the expenses both siblings gave to the children. Answer is tuition. Blank number 17. Father and Khalid sold a piece of fertile land to pay their fee in the dash year of their studies. Answer is fourth. Blank number 18. After dash years of struggle, Jamil opened a hospital in his village. Answer is 12 years. Blank number 19. Sarah and Jamil visited dash nearby villages for medical camp. Answer is 2. Blank number 20. Sarah had dash children. Answer is 2. Blank number 21. Jamil reached back home in his. Answer is small jeep. Blank number 22. When Jamil reached home, he had with his family. Answer is lunch. Blank number 23. The name of the patient who died in the story was. Answer is Uncle Sarmad. Blank number 24. The name of the person who used to ride horse cart was. Answer is Allah Bachayo. Blank number 25. The name of the patient in the story was. Uncle Noor Ali. Blank number 26. The name of the nurse in the story was. Answer is Allah Dino. So students, here we have covered all the objectives, possible objectives of chapter number 3. I hope that you will find this lecture very informative for all of you. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.